Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. If you're coming over from TikTok, thank you so much. You guys have smashed out about 400 subscribers in a day or so. So keep smashing it, and if you are new, smash the like button. Can we get 100 likes on this video? Anyways, today we are installing a bride bucket seat in the 180SX. So I'm gonna get to it in a second, but first, check out this new merch I just got from Keep It Reet. I am dripping. It's sick. It's so warm. It's Australian made. If you want to support the boys over at Keep It Reet, go to their shop and buy some because they do awesome stuff. Now, the reason I'm putting the bucket seat in now is because we have an event in 4 weeks. So I have to get my ass into gear. I have to get a cage in, get a seat in, have to get my angle kit in. It's a lot of work. We can do it. I still have to get that retune, which I don't think is going to happen, but I think we'll still be able to drift without that tune. It'll just be a bit annoying. But I will just be doing some like practice on the skid pan, and I won't be doing the full open track unless I really feel confident in the car. It's going to be a shakedown. Who knows what could go wrong? It could go really smooth or really wrong. So let's get into installing the seat. Just before chucking the seat in, I slapped this Keep It Reet window banner on. I think it looks sick. Now, this is either going to be really simple or really hard if my rail bracket fits to the chassis properly. So, I'm going to go get it, or unbolt this chair first, and then go get the rail adapter, and we'll see if the holes line up. If they don't, I might have to do some drilling, which might be annoying, but it should be fairly simple. Let's see. Alright, so this is the rail adapter. Pretty easy, should just slide in straight away, I'm hoping. It looks to be the same as like the OEM one anyway, so I don't think we'll have to do any drilling. Let's see. So those holes line up. That lines up. And that lines up, I believe. No way. Guys, I've never seen this in my life. I just didn't snap it once, but it snapped into 2 pieces at the same time. I've never seen that in a drill bit. Whoever used this drill bit last must have been bending it or something. This, like, this is just, what? Epic fail. After a lot of swearing and about 2 hours after saying that it does line up, the seat is bolted in, we're in. I'm gonna sit in it now. Oh, man. Oh, actually, that's awesome, guys. Actually feels real good. I do need to slide forward. It does like really far back, but that actually fits me perfect. Like, oh, my brother did a good job of getting the right size for me. I think when he ordered his one, he ordered the same size, and he had to get the size up because his shoulders are a bit more like broader or something. All right, so remember how when I put my steering wheel on and I had the stock seats on, the steering wheel was a bit too close to me with that hub. I think if I put that hub on just for this event, it'll be fine, because this seat, you actually sit pretty far back in the car. When I get out of the car, I'll show you how far it back, but I can reach the pedals, I can reach everything, it's perfect. I could just run the stock steering wheel if I wanted to. It's nice, it slips through your hands, but I do have that nice steering wheel, remember? So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm definitely gonna have to put the quick release steering wheel on, because I just went to get out and look how close my knees are to that. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to put that smaller 350 on, and like, look, that's like trying to get out. Oh God. That's what it looks like from the outside. You can see how close it is and how far back that actually sits, where your butt sits and all that. I can reach the pedals, all that good stuff. Now, I was gonna put my roll cage in today as well, but because I'm only gonna go on the skid pan just to run, shake down the car, and there isn't gonna be spectators anyway, so I won't be taking people with me. So I don't need a roll cage anyway, but I'm gonna put that in after this truck event just in case something happens, you know. Yeah, I'm not going to roll. I'm not going to be going spastic around like the whole track going super fast. Things that need to be done within 5 weeks or 4 weeks for the drift event is I need to bolt in a fire extinguisher, because that is a very important rule. And if you are watching from around Australia, Victoria is a standard thing where you do have to have a fire extinguisher in your car to pass regulations on track days. So that has to get bolted in. I'm just going to use my standard seat belt. There is a seat belt like holder over there, because I don't have my cage going in yet and I don't have straps in yet, harnesses. So that is for the next event. I do want to have my cage in and all that when I start getting more confident. And I do want to get a rear bash bar with a jacking point, just because my car is low. It's nice to jack it up from that rear bash bar and, you know, get it off the ground, warm up the diff and all that stuff. And it's easier to change tires. Not that I don't think I will be changing tires. I'm going to bring my Kansai wheels with the drifters on them, and I'm going to bring these as well. They're just bad tires, and I can bring the fronts as well as rears, just in case I do go through like 2 sets of tires, which I don't think I will. Alright guys, thanks for following the dream and helping me quit my full-time job. If you don't know what it is, head over to my TikTok. I have a full story explaining it. Pretty much my next bad, super cooked from working, all that stuff. I'm trying to get out of it, and obviously YouTube and content creation is one of my dream jobs. So if you are new, hit the subscribe button, hit like, leave a comment. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. The 4x4 content is coming. I'm about to give you a sneak peek of those wheels if you have watched this far. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Here's a sneak peek.